अभी साहब मैं ना अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके आपको अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखाता हूँ। और कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम भी हैं इस बैच में, तो वो कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं थोड़ा सा। ओके, मैं आपको ना अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखा देता हूँ, आप कहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हैं। ओके, नो प्लीज चेक ऑन माई स्क्रीन।
Okay, sir, we can speak in English. No
प्लीज
problem.
check on my screen. There are two files.
Okay.
One is DES, other is descriptive output file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, I want to show you first file, DES. DES file is our raw data. It is a DES file. Clear? Showing ID, gender, group, region, education, smoker, outcome, age year, height, and many other variables. Now I want to show you other files, which is output of this file. When we applied, it is our raw data. We applied descriptive statistical analysis. Descriptive statistical analysis in Python, and it give us this output. So these are the result. Output mean result of this file. When you open this file, it will show us some first file showing our original data set. Second sheet showing numeric outcome, which showing me number of observations 40, 40, 40, mean value of age years. If you check your data set, here is the age year. So the total mean value of age year is 45.98. Its standard deviation is, its median is, its IQ is, its minimum value, maximum value, skewness, and kurtosis. So it is the descriptive statistics output, or you can say descriptive statistics result of your raw data. No, next, these are for numeric variables. For numeric, in our data set, we have multiple type of variables. Some variables are categorical, like male, female. There are two categories. Some are characters and some are numeric. So the first output is for numeric variable. This output is for numeric variable. Next is categorical variable. So here are some categorical variables: gender, male, female, wise, descriptive statistics results by gender, numeric, mean, median, mod, same things, but for different variables. By group, numeric, correlation, Pearson based way between numeric variables, and missing value. So there is no any missing value in this data set. So main data is, it is our data set, raw data. After applying descriptive statistic in Python, we get these files, these sheets. Sheet number 1, it is the output sheet. Output sheet will show you the result of your data set. For example, it will give you, we have find mean in our data set based on age year, height. Mean of height is 168.61. Weight of mean of weight, K is 72.15. No, please confirm it's clear. No or not? Still confused?
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
बस.
problem is that my output file is, I'm not finding the output file. The output file is same as descriptive file. I don't know why.
Don't worry.
And
Output
second
file.
thing is that,
You. I think you have replaced your file. I have. If you check your group, I have shared a file named DEC is different as in your folder.
exactly, sir, yesterday I
So
download different file than yours. That's
okay.
true. But one more thing is that there is one more, there is, if you uh, if you see my screen, it will find there is another file,
Show me, show me,
xlxsx, but
show me file.
I'm not able to find it as output file.
Okay, show me.
Wait, sir.
It is not compulsory. It will give you output for file other. It will give you other names like results, like it's not compulsory. It will mention you its output file.
Sir, for example, first the thermoelectric descriptive statics was
Yes,
the file I generated from the ChatGPT.
yes, it is your
After that, the file I got, I changed the name thermo.xlsx.
okay. Where is its
But
output?
it is not output. It is not output. It's not output. I
Have
don't know
you
why it is output.
have you applied analysis on it?
Exactly. I applied analysis.
Where is your analysis? Show me.
I will show you on yeah. This is the analysis. See, gaps.
Scroll up. Yes, here are your results. You have not saved your result
Yeah.
in your folder. Your results are not saved. Scroll up more. Here are your results. These are your results. No, you need to if you check your script, there is no any command for saving these results. Okay, no.
So first we need to save this.
First you need to write please copy this script. Scroll up. Copy this complete script. Yes, copy this script.
This one.
This one. Please first select all and copy.
Yeah.
Yes, no copy. For Control C.
Right.
Copy with Control C.
Okay, Control C. Yes.
Okay, no, open ChatGPT and write a message. Open new chat.
Yeah.
And write a message. I have run this script successfully.
Okay.
Now I want to save results.
Okay.
In CSV file.
CSV.
Yes, or XLS or PDF or any file which you want to use, you can write.
CSV is Excel file. Yeah.
If you need Excel, you type Excel. If you need in Word, you can type Word.
Okay, CSV file is Excel file.
Okay. So and plots in PNG.
Plot in
PNG.
PNG or PNG?
PNG.
Okay, PNG. Okay.
Okay, and paste your copied script here. Okay. And send message.
Yesterday, this step you have not. We didn't know about this step. This one.
Yes. If ChatGPT does not give you a script for saving, you can also write message to ChatGPT. You need to give you a demand. By default, it will give you some basic things. Maybe give you script for saving or may not give you. If not give you, don't worry. Just write message. No, I want to save. It will give you. No, you can check. Script is added for saving.
Yeah, exactly.
Save scatter plot to as PNG and last is for save a surface plot as PNG and so on. No, copy your script. Scroll down. Paste here.
Yeah.
Yes, paste and run.
Yeah.
Open your Python 21 page, please.
Yeah, I have already opened it, sir. But I don't find any.
No.
3D scatter.
Come here by Python 21 tab. Okay. Yes, yeah. Scroll down. Paste in this box.
Paste what?
You have copied script from ChatGPT.
I have already pasted here, sir.
Not
Already
here.
paste.
Have you pasted?
Yeah, already pasted.
Okay.
I
Have you?
also to,
Okay. Scroll down. And you have
Yeah.
run. Okay. Now come to your folder.
yeah. There is 3D scatter thermal PNG. It is output
Yes.
file.
Yes. These are
These
output
two are
files
output.
and descriptive. You need to find. You have two files. Okay. Now come to
Sir,
ChatGPT.
sir, but my file was actually thermo.xlsx, but it gave different name.
Don't worry. You can change your name.
But
You
how
can
to know
come
it is
to. You can come
it is the
to
output of this file?
come to your
Okay.
script. You can edit your script. Check here. Your script name is. Please come to script. Scroll up. You can read the script. Come to last line, where is script for saving. Yes. Plot save. Here is the plot name. You can change plot name from here. 3D surface thermodynamics. You can change plot name.
Okay.
Okay, run this line again and check. Now come to your folder.
No.
Refresh.
Thermo PNG. Yes.
You have changed your name. So you can edit your script just reading and editing.
So it means like that we need to first see it has been saved or not. If not, then we need to give command to the ChatGPT.
Yes, you can read your. If you read your script, you can easily judge a script is available for saving or not.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, I have a simple question.
Yes, sir.
Then you can continue your class and you can teach in our class.
Okay.
Sir, yesterday we did the descriptive statistic and they gave us three plots. Is this possible to give us in simple one plot?
Yes, you can give the name of plot which you want to draw. For example, you want to
Oh,
draw a bar graph. Okay.
yes, sir.
Write a message to
Mhm.
ChatGPT. I want to perform
Mhm.
descriptive statistic and want to
Mhm.
draw bar graph for mean value and
Oh.
standard error. It will show you bar graph.
No, all these three graph will give us together in one graph.
Yes, you can combine all thing in one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Ji, sir.
Okay, no, today we will work for ANOVA. So please all participant open Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. Today our topic is ANOVA. So first we need to understand the few questions about ANOVA. First question, what is ANOVA? Question number 2, why do we perform ANOVA? Sorry, not ANOVA. Today our topic is t-test. t-test in Python. So the first question is, what is t-test? Second question, why do we perform t-test? Types of t-test, and last one is sample data table for t-test. Copy these first three questions. Open ChatGPT. Open new chat and paste and send. First, it will define you what is t-test, then why do we perform a t-test, and types of t-test. A t-test is a statistical test that compare mean and ask, is the difference we see likely is just a random noise, or is it big enough to be real? In simple word, t-test will show you the significant difference between your variables. But there is a condition. You only need 2 group for t-test. If you have more than 2 group, your t-test will not be authentic. So t-test is suitable for only 2 groups. For example, we have done work on our ficus data set. Ficus data have 3 group, S1, S2, S3. So ficus data set, if you want to compare, if you want to check the difference between S1, S2, S3, t-test is not suitable for this. T-test will show you wrong results. So you need to apply ANOVA if you have more than 2 groups. So when you want to apply, or when you want to check the difference between S1 and S2 only, no, you have 2 group, S1, S2. You have ignored S3. You can apply t-test. So t-test will show you the significant difference. It will show, you can also check your hypothesis with the help of t-test. Why do we perform a t-test? Number one, decide with evidence. Is a mean different from target? So you can check the difference of mean of S1 and S2. Compare 2 group. Do treatment and control have different average? For example, S1 is treatment and S2 is control group, and you want to compare before as was after. If you have data set before and after, you can also apply t-test. And if you have small data set, you can also apply t-test. There are 3 main type of t-test. One is one sample t-test, 2 sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. In one sample t-test, we only have one sample. For example, we have S1 only, S1, and we want to compare S1 with already published value, with already known value, or with average value. For example, S1 is a person, and you are working on blood pressure of S1, or S1 is a patient, and you are measuring its blood pressure on daily basis. and you want to compare with average blood pressure. So average blood pressure is already known, already published value. So if you have only one sample, it is known as one sample t-test. If you have two groups, S1 and S2, and you want to compare between S1 and S2, is known as independent two sample t-test. We have two groups S1 and S2 and we want to compare. For example, systolic BP in drug A group was placebo group, different people. Or in simple example S1 and S2. Paired t-test. Paired t-test means you have data in pair form. For example, presence or absence, before and after. For example, you are measuring blood pressure before treatment and after treatment. You are working on plot and measuring its height before fertilizer, after fertilizer, before rain, after rain. So if you have data set like this before and after, you can apply paired sample t-test. Now next step we need to check sample data. Sample data will be give you clear view of t-test. So write a message, thanks. Now I need sample data table for each type of t-test. It will show you sample data table. You can also generate sample data related to your field of study. For example, say thanks. Now I need sample data table for each type of t-test related to plant science, related to economics, related to business, related to statistics. You just give your subject name. It will give you example related to your field of study. Now, here you can check one sample t-test. Compare mean to a target. So question example is mean hemoglobin different from 13.5 G per DL. There are 10 patients and you want to compare the mean of patients with 13.5. It is average value. If you have two groups, for example, group A and group B, and you want to compare between group A and group B, you can check there is a significant difference between group A and group B. You can apply independent or two sample t-test. If you have data set in the form of pairs like before and after, there is a question, did weight change after a 6-week program in the same participants? So weight before kg, weight after kg, before and after, before treatment, after treatment, before treatment, after treatment. Okay, no, I will write a message, thanks. No, I need this data in Excel sheets. In our previous classes, we have learned how to import Excel file. In our today class, we also learn how to import different Excel sheets because in our today class, we have 3 sheets in single file. 3 sheets in single file. For example, here is the file. File name is t-test. This file have 3 sheets. First sheet showing one sample t-test, second sheet showing two sample independent test, and third sheet showing paired. I want to rename. For one sample, I want to give name 1. Rename. One S or 1_s, one sample. One S. For two sample, I want to change or rename to _s. And for paired is okay. Because noun was lengthy, so I reduce the length of spellings and name. Save. I'm going to send this within group. I have shared a file within group. Please all participants download this file and save this file in your working directory folder. And also have shared in Zoom chat. I have saved file in working directory folder, so I have typed done. Please, you also save and type done. Now next step is import this file in Jupyter page. For example, we have 3 sheets and we want to import one by one all 3 sheets. So first we need a package named pandas. Import pandas as pd and run. Next step is pd dot read underscore excel inverted comma your file name. File name is t_test.xlsx. t_test.xlsx inverted comma close bracket close. and run. By default, it will show you sheet number 1. By default, sheet number 1 will appear. But if you want to import second sheet, you need to, for example, I give a name equal. So it is one sample. So I will give name 1 underscore s. 1 underscore s means one sample. Now I have a saved script with coding. So if I need one sample, I will just type 1 underscore s and will run. It will show me file of one sample t-test. Now, if I want to import second sheet, please all participants focus on the script. If you have more than one sheets in your main file and you want to work one by one on all, you need to import all files separately. So type pd dot read underscore excel inverted comma t underscore test dot xls x inverted comma close, and after closing inverted comma you need to type another comma and type here sheet underscore name equal. You need to use another function sheet underscore name. Now give your sheet name. Sheet name for second file is, you can check from your sheet, 2 underscore s. So type 2 underscore s inverted comma close bracket close and run. Now it will show you data of second sheet. Please all participant import data from second sheet and type done.
Sir, I have error, sir.
Okay, please share your screen. It's showing you invalid syntax. You have added colon after equal sign before 2s. Sheet, yes, remove this colon. Don't need to type anything here. Why you are typing colon or semicolon? It's just equal. And after equal there is a, yes, no, run this line. It's showing you second sheet.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please all confirm, have you done? Abid Ahmed, just you need to add one extra function, sheet name equal, your second sheet name is 2, so you will write here 2 and give a name equal before equal give name to_s and run. It will save your script or data with to_s. No, if you want to use this file, you can use to_s and run. It will show you dataset. Okay, no, if you want to import third sheet, you need to write same script pd.read_excel inverted comma, your file name is t_test.xlsx inverted comma close, again comma, and type sheet name underscore name equal. Your sheet name is, you can check from your dataset. Sheet name of third sheet is paired. P is capital, PAIRED, paired. Inverted comma close, bracket close, and run. It will show you third sheets and give name paired and run. Now we have 3 dataset in our Python or Jupyter page. First, I want to use one sample dataset, so I will type here. No, please, all participant watch, and then after you can do practice.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
I have one question. Sir, for example, if we will not open the first one, can we directly open the third
Yes,
sheet
you can directly open third. Anyone which you want to open.
without opening first
Yes,
one?
but you need to write the name.
But
For example, you want to work on third file. Just type this one.
okay,
You don't need to open first one.
but I have some, then some error. Okay, wait. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
For example, I want to work on first sheet or first file. First file name is 1s. So I will print info, print bracket 1_s dot info bracket open close and run. It will show me the structure of this data set. Copy this structure, paste, and again combine and copy. Open ChatGPT and write a message. No, you have only one sample, so you need to give average value to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will add this average value within script. So the average value for our data set is 13.5. I want to perform one sample t-test and also want to draw its plot. In Python and write a note. Note the average or known value. You can say known value. Known value is 13.5 and send message.
So I have some error.
Okay, please share your screen. Yeah, please 1 minute. Let me run this code. Please share your screen. There is a message from Marty. It's showing you paired worksheet named paired, not found. Scroll up. Please show me your script. I think someone other have shared. Please share again. You need to check your sheet name. Open your Excel sheet.
Students, okay, excellent.
Excel sheet from your folder,
T-test.
from here. And your file, you have given name T_test. T is capital on your side.
Okay.
Check your script. Please check your script. You have typed small t, I think. Please check your script. You have typed
Yeah, I
small
checked.
t.
I
T test.
changed that.
Where is, please come to script. Yes, here is script line number 41. First word is T_test. T is capital on your data set, on your side, on your folder.
Okay, T_test.
Why you have changed? Okay, no, run this line.
Which one?
And you also need to check your spelling for paired from your ficus file. Sorry, t-test file. Open your t-test file from folder.
No, yeah. No.
P is small in your side.
Yeah, okay.
For paired, P is small. So you need to type small p with paired.
Oh, no, sorry. Okay, sir.
Okay, so be careful while typing spellings. You need to match your spellings with your data set. Okay, no script is generated on my site. I will copy, open Jupyter page, paste, and will run. Here is the output. It's showing me output is saved. Output plot is saved. Plot is saved in PDF. I have not demanded anything. By default, ChatGPT have given me script for saving. If ChatGPT not saved your plot, don't worry. Just write a message to ChatGPT. I want to save these plots. It will write script for saving. So here is the one sample t-test report or output file. Here are the results of one sample t-test. And its output or plot
So
also
after
saved,
generating this, sorry,
also
after generating
saved
this file,
in my site.
what is the
Here is
script?
output file. Copy, open WhatsApp group and share.
सर आपने चैट जीपीटी में क्या लिखा ये वाला रिजल्ट जो दे दिया आप थोड़ा सा वो दिखा सकते हैं
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने उसको सिर्फ ये लिखा है कि आई वांट टू ये I want to perform one sample t-test and also want to draw its plot in Python. Note the known value is 13.5.
Okay, sir.
मैंने ये ग्रुप में भी शेयर कर दिया. Okay. Now please all participants work on other remaining two types, two sample t-test and pair sample t-test, and draw its plot and results and share within group. Okay, and there is a message from Arti. Arti, please share your screen. You are allowed for screen sharing. Please share your screen. Come to last line of this error. You have typed T dash. I think it is not a T dash. It is T underscore T test dot XLS. Line number 28. You have typed T dash. It is T underscore. Now try to run. Now it's showing you data. No, you have saved your script with paired. Just type paired, it will show you data set. Just type paired. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now please perform and share your output within group.